Welcome back, everyone. This is Dr. Connie Williams with Cohen Institute. And today we are going to count the Omer again, first day of the last week. Yay, we are getting there. We are completing our task. And that is always exciting, especially when we do it successfully. Let's pull up our whiteboard and take a look at today, the blessing. And we are in Sephirah number 10, Malchut, our world, our realm. It is dominated, our life is dominated this week by Malchut. And of course, as with any other week, we are going to pair it with Chesed first, loving kindness. If you need more information on Chesed, start watching the very first couple of videos in this series. And we explain it there a lot more. But I think most people understand loving kindness. This loving kindness comes from above, the very reason why this world was created. God created everything that exists, the universe, the other worlds that is above us. He created them for one purpose, Malchut, our universe, and of course the human that will be in this universe, not just the human, but whoever else might be out there, right? For living beings that have been created in his image. And of course, this image is not a literal image. But let's say the blessing first, and then we're going to move on into our meditation as we always do. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al sefirat ha-omer. Blessed are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and commanded us concerning the counting of the Omer. Today is 43 days, which is 6 days and 1 day, which is 6 weeks. That's what they're supposed to say. 6 weeks and 1 day of the Omer. Boy, I really messed that one up. Let me fix that for you real quick. That is all messed up. 6 weeks and 1 day of the Omer. All right, we got it right now. Very good. So let's go to our meditation. And today's meditation is titled Four Realms. The ancient philosophers divided the world into 4 realms of life. Look closely, and you will see they are realms of transcendence. Because to live means to transcend. The silent realm, earth, rocks, water, air, and the like, they are all alive, but they do not transcend their bounds in any way. Plants transcend their bounds by growing. Animals transcend their bounds by traversing space. And we human beings, how do we transcend our bounds? We reach outside of ourselves with words, with dialogue. Of all creatures, we alone are capable of hearing ourselves through the ears of another. Transcendence is something that many people do not understand. Many people think, I am what I am, this is it. And even people that believe in God do not understand the concept of transcending beyond of the physical, transcending beyond what appears before us, what our political situation is. All these things can be transcended because we are more than just a physical being. We can hear and talk to other physical beings who can tell us about ourselves, and we can transcend through that. But most of all, we transcend because we can hear from above. We can hear and connect to above while in this earth suit. So we don't have to wait until we get to heaven or the world that is coming, or whatever your definition of that is. We can connect now, and we can transcend this world by actually living in both. We can be aware of the higher world as well as this world. And the same is true for our person. We can live being aware and engaged in the person that we are here on earth, but we can also transcend and connect with a higher self, that part of our soul that is always in the higher worlds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you again on tomorrow. God bless.